In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Apple Mail templates on your iPhone. This is a great way to save time and effort if you regularly send similar emails, such as newsletters, client contacts, or project updates. Let's jump in and make this process as simple as possible. To begin, we'll be using the Notes app on your iPhone. Essentially, this app will serve as your template bank. It's intuitive, user-friendly, and since it comes pre-installed on all iPhones, it's accessible to everyone. Go ahead and open the Notes app. Once you're inside, you're going to create a new note. Now, for each email template you need, you'll want to have a corresponding new note. This personalization ensures that everything is neatly organized and easy to locate later on. Now, when you create a new note, consider it a blank canvas for your email template. Start by writing your template as you would typically compose an email. Include the subject line, greeting, the main body of the email, and closing remarks. Structure these elements just as if you're drafting a live email. However, to maximize the flexibility of your templates, be sure to integrate placeholders for any variable information. These can include elements like name, date, or specific project details. Placeholders are important as they allow each email to feel customized while still maintaining the overarching template structure. Once your notes are polished and saved, they're ready to use whenever needed. So how do you utilize these notes to send an email? It involves a simple copy-paste trick. Start by opening the note that contains the desired email template. From there, tap and hold to bring up the select option, then tap select all to highlight the entire text. After that, choose copy to save it to your clipboard. Next, open the Mail app and start a new email draft. In the body of this email, tap and hold until you see the paste option appear. Select paste, and just like that, your crafted template text is now in your email draft. From here, it's all about replacing the placeholder elements with the specific information for this email. Change the name placeholder to the recipient's name, adjust dates, and so on. This method efficiently allows you to streamline your email communications, ensuring you have a base to work from every single time. It reduces repetitive actions and leaves more time for personalization and detail where it matters most. By harnessing the convenience and accessibility of the Notes app, your email productivity can reach new heights and you'll save valuable time along the way. And there you have it, your guide to creating Apple Mail templates on your iPhone. Thanks for following along in today's video.